Struggling with bloating and low energy? Unlock Indian secrets to a happy gut right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Healthy and Wealth. Your support helps us grow our community and hit those part-time goals for modernization. Thank you. Namaste everyone and a big welcome back to Healthy and Wealth. I am Praveen, your guide to health and prosperity. If you have been dealing with digestive woes like bloating, irregular bowels, or constant fatigue, you are not alone, especially in our busy Indian lifestyle with spicy foods and stress. But today we are turning things around with gut health basics using probiotics from traditional Indian fermented food like Kanji. This is game-changing stuff that can boost your immunity and energy levels naturally. If you are excited, smash that like button to help boost our algorithm. Every like counts towards growing our subscriber base from our current low numbers back to thriving. And if you are new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We need your help to rebuild our watch time and get monetized soon. Let's do this together. Let's start with the basics. What is gut health and why does it matter? Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria known as the microbiome, which influences everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to your mood and immune system. In India, where diets are rich but sometimes imbalanced due to fast food or irregular meals, gut issues are common. Poor gut health can lead to problems like IBS, low immunity, or even weight gain. But probiotics, those friendly bacteria, can restore balance. The best part, you don't need expensive supplements. Indian fermented foods are natural, affordable probiotic sources. First up, Kanji, the Punjabi winter favorite made from black carrots and beets. It's fermented with mustard seeds, created creating lactobacillus bacteria that promote gut healing. Studies from the Journal of Food Science show fermented veggies like kanji increase gut diversity by up to 40%, reducing inflammation and improving digestion. Easy DIY recipe. Take 4 medium black carrots and 2 beets. Grate them finely, and 1 spoon mustard powder, 2 teaspoons salt, and a pinch of red chili. Mix of 1 liter water and let it ferment in a glass jar for 3 to 5 days at room temperature. Steadily, once tangy, strain and drink in a small glass, about 100 ml every morning. It's refreshing and packed with vitamins too. Next, Idli and Dosa. South Indian staples. The fermented rice and urad dal batter is loaded with probiotics like gluconeostase, which aid in breaking down food. Make a batch at home. Soak 2 cups rice and 1 cup urad dal overnight. Drain it batter and fermented for 8 to 12 hours. Steam into the Idli for a probiotic-rich breakfast that keeps you full and energized. And don't overlook dahi or yogurt, the ultimate Indian probiotic. Homemade is best. Boil milk, cool to lukewarm, and add a spoonful of previous yogurt. and let it set overnight. Eat plain or with fruits for a gut-boosting snack. Research from AIMS Delhi highlights how regular yogurt consumption can cut digestive disorders by 25% in Indian populations. Pro tip: start with small portions to avoid initial gas or bloating as your gut adjusts. Pair these with fiber from veggies like okra or spinach for maximum benefits. If you have severe issues, consult a doctor before starting. Caution: if you are lactose intolerant, opt for vegan ferments like Kanji. Avoid dairy-based ones. Now tell me in the comments, have you tried Kanji? What's your favorite fermented food? Your stories inspire others and help our channel grow. Commenting boosts engagement and watch time. If this video helpful to you, please share it with friends and or family facing out troubles. Every share brings us closer to monetization. Remember, healthy and wealthy is all about simple Indian-centric health tips to make you healthier and wealthier in life. Thank you.